Mario Bros. The Big Hurricane. One day, there was a huge hurricane by Mario's house. A tree fell down, Barbecue flew away, and worse of all, the boat and paddle flew away. The boat flew way up high into the air and smashed into the chimney, which smashed into the roof. Bam, 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 bam. The roof collapsed. Said Mario. I don't know, said Luigi. So they ran off. Mario and Luigi went to the Mega Mushroom house. They had lots of Mega Mushrooms stored. Also, the house was big. Surprisingly, they saw Yoshi and Toad. Yoshi and Toad? That is very coincidental, said Luigi. I agree, said Mario. That hurricane outside is getting worse and worse. Suddenly, Yoshi and Toad heard a sound. It was coming from the fireplace. It was a gust of wind. Mario was looking out in the hurricane. The gust of wind blew a barrel. Whoa! Okay, this is just getting better and better, said Mario. Are you okay? Luigi asked as Mario got up from the shivering cold. I just stink, said Mario, shivering. That's glad to hear. Let's get you warmed up. Oh, help. I never knew that the Luigi was a total prankster. So Luigi carried Mario back to the table, frozen. Everyone get their sledgehammers. What kind of monkey shine was that? Said Mario. Another gust of wind flew through the fireplace. Then they heard some thunder. Just then the door broke down. The wind blew harder and harder. Oh, oh, oh. Ow! Ah. Oh, yeah. A huge gust of wind blew. Help! Mario cried. Luigi got up. Mario, don't let go. I can't hold on much longer. Mario, the wind is going so high. Whoa. Oh no, said Yoshi. Not even my tongue will work. Mario had to get off somehow. But how? The house was starting to go down. It was destroyed. Oh no! Just then, rain rainwater started coming in from the broken wall. Shh, the house was flooded. Shh, what will we do, said Mario. I have no idea, said Luigi, but we gotta act quick. Shh. Shh. And blew so hard that Mario had to let go as soon as the chair popped down. Whoa! Oh! Ah. Come on, quick, before the house gets flooded and we drown. Quick! No, don't leave us here. They ran out of the mega house. Oh, this is great, said Luigi sarcastically. Just then a flood started. Oh gosh, said Mario. The shelter got washed away. They made a wonderful house, just like the Mega Mushroom House. Wow, the current hurricane made stuff wet. Now we have a beautiful house. Mario invited Yoshi to stay at their house. And Luigi invited Toad.